So today you had the fibroblasting done today?
Yes.
And it was your second treatment, right?
Yes, it was.
Okay, can you tell me a little bit about your first treatment?
Well, I think I did pretty good. I'm really impressed with the results. I went home and right away my daughter could notice the difference. I did it especially for my lower part of my upper lid, and I can see it clearly now. For years I haven't been able to see that because the skin just kind of gets lazy and hangs down over.
You loved it so much that you decided to do it again, right?
Yes, so I'm back in 5 weeks getting more done, and I did more around my lips and my neck because it was just so impressive. I saw immediate results.
Awesome. And do you think you'll do it again?
Oh yes, I'm hooked.
And I'm just going to kind of show a little bit.
Okay.
What we do with the fibroblasting is we kind of go in and kind of zap the skin. What it does is it shrinks the skin. It's pretty amazing. We went and did her eye area. We went around her lips. Pretty amazing. We did some of her neck. So stay tuned and we will show you guys the results.